During my travels, I come across beautiful flowers and want to capture it in an innovative, quick, yet simple manner. In this video, I'll talk about light painting of flowers using just a mobile and selfie stick. Select your flowers. Here, I have some artificial roses and snake lilies. Ensure room is absolutely dark and your setup is away from the walls so that there is no reflected light. Take a selfie stick and make it stand using any support or furniture so that the mobile has to be absolutely still. Now set up the mobile camera in manual mode. This is very important. Your mobile must have a manual feature for this to work. Select ISO of 100, f-stop 2 and shutter speed of 15 to 20 seconds. Now paint the flowers with a torch, lighting one flower at a time. Bingo! Our light painted photo is now ready. I use Google Snapseed to crop out unwanted parts, tune and heal the image. That's it, our fine art is now ready. Do put your comments below and click to subscribe and share our channel Traveljit.